Today I'm going to be doing an Easter egg hunt for my Barbies today, and I have this basket for Chelsea because I don't have enough baskets, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on opening this. Okay, just lower it. Owie. Chelsea, let me open your basket. Okay. And then I'm gonna fill it up with some toys, and then I am going to hide it somewhere, and we will do a treasure hunt. Oh. And then we're also gonna be taking the family picture. Well, it comes with this really big checklist. How long is this? Wow, that's a lot of toy sets. That's bigger than me almost. Get an Easter basket and all the Easter accessories. Put this in the recycling bin. The recycling bin is a hot mess right now. Okay. Wow, this is really hard to open. Look at that. A perfect little basket. Now to put in all Chelsea's gifts. She's gonna get this little baby doll, a pillow, and brand new kitty alarm clock, a kitty dolly, and lipstick. Now I'm gonna read it. In the shower. And now let's get out some more eggs to hide. I already hid most of them, but I'm gonna hide a couple more. Just need to take this out. Yikes! All of it spilled. Let me make sure nothing's lost. Okay. Nope. Nothing's lost. Okay. First up is this little bunny egg. And I'm gonna put a lollipop inside. That doesn't fit. Okay. I'll do this white candy. Okay, hide it somewhere. Where is a good place to hide it? they can buy and think it's one of Barbie's Easter decorations. Okay, this one can be the little lollipop. Put the lid on top. And this one can go, let's think. Right here, I'll blend in with the color of the potty. And in here. Right here. For Barbie salt and pepper eggs. Oh, and then I didn't even notice it comes with a little chick. I'm gonna put that in Chelsea's Easter basket. A chocolate chick. Okay. Now I just need to get Easter baskets to collect the eggs. Let me go get them. Got 2 of them. I need 1 more. Okay, got the eggs. And now I will start the Easter egg story. Okay. Okay, everybody has to get their baskets. And ready, let's go. I got the golden egg! Wow! How lucky. I got this egg. I got this one. Got another egg. Got this egg. I got the little bunny one. Can we switch bins? Yeah. Okay. Oh no, we're gonna lose, we're gonna lose, we're gonna lose. Okay, that in. Got an egg that looks like a chick. The egg's in the living room. No. Any more negative? No. I got one on the toilet. One in the sink. Whoa. I found this one, and this one, and this one. Put them all in. I got those 2. Got these 2 eggs. Okay, got 2 more eggs each. I think the winner is Chelsea. Okay, Chelsea got the most eggs. Isabel got second, and I only got 3 eggs. Okay, now let's see who got the golden egg. And I already see who did. Isabel. She got 2 special ones. Put all of these away in the egg bin. And Chelsea got 3 special ones. She got the one filled with candy, and Stacy got none. Okay. Now those eggs can go in your bedroom. Okay. Let's see, put one right here. One here. And one right here. Put those right there for Easter decoration. Okay. Yeah. But these are 80. Okay, now let's go on the Easter basket hunt. Okay. Let's go to the music room. That's where they always are. I got mine. I got mine in the pool. Wow, I got a lot of cool stuff. Okay, let's bring these back downstairs. Yeah, but mine isn't in there. Sorry, maybe you were bad this year. Okay, all the way down. Put these on the ground. No. Okay. Wait! I found it in the shower with another egg! Wow, I got another egg. I got my basket. Wow, I can't wait to see what I got in it. I'm gonna go get my candy eggs now. Okay. Okay. Put this down, just like that. Now, youngest to oldest to middleest opening is how we do it. Because Chelsea always likes to open hers last. I got a new blanket. I got a shotgun. I got a kitty cat. Meow, meow, meow. And a new towel. I'm gonna go play with one of these. Okay. Put these away back here. And this is Stacy's. Okay, now it's my turn. First, I'm gonna open up my eggs. Wow, I got a swirly lollipop. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Oh, little pink candy. Let's see, my favorite pink. This has my favorite kind of candy. Okay, now let's see what's in my Easter basket. I got a brand new pillow. Let's put that right here. A new alarm clock. Put that right there. A lipstick. And a kitty cat. Oh, so cute. And cutest of all, this little Easter bunny dolly. Oh, she's so cute. Aww. I'll put her right here. Okay, that was just my wall. It's 8. And an adorable little chick. Sit that up with the kitty. And put the pineapples. Everything is perfect. This adorable little basket. Okay, that is it for today. Goodbye.